In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the top right one of this section to create a new one. Following that, adjust it however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on days of the week you wish to set up and click on alarm name. Name it. Scroll and use all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust each one by clicking on it on the left. Let's start with alarm sound. Over here, pick one of those sound sources and change volume of your alarm thanks to this slider. If you want to select ringtone, click on it, tap on allow, and then tap on any of those melodies to apply a perfect one for you. You can also pick any song from your device by tapping on this plus at the top right corner, deciding if you wish to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher, clicking on your song and tapping done at the top right corner. You can click on those two switchers next to read time and alarm name out loud and gradually increase volume to enable or disable those options. And when you're ready, go back. Now access vibration section to decide if you wish to synchronize your vibrations with ringtone, silence them, pick one of those patterns and even adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Now hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and hit alarm background. By tapping on background at the top left corner, you can either hit allow limited access or allow all. If you don't want to use any photo, just click on one of those featured backgrounds and hit done at the top right corner. If you wish to pick a photo though, select the chosen one by clicking on it and then hit done at the top right corner. Finally, to save this alarm, hit save at the bottom right corner here and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. Hit save to save those changes or cancel to discard them. And last but not least, to get rid of one of your alarms completely, hold the chosen one and hit delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!